Let's begin this video. Just bumping into things. C-K, right? But if I wrote L-O-C, you would say lock. If I wrote L-O-K, you would say lock. The 3rd and the 11 are both red in pool. The difference is 8. The 8 is the difference of the 14 ball, which is 6. 6 and 14 is the difference of 8. You can do 7 and 15, right? No, you can't, because 7 and 8 is 15, right? But you're only 1 away. 6 and 8, 6 and 5. 6 and 14 balls 5, it's green. Green and red come together. We learned about this, G and H. 7 and 8 equals to 15, and 56 equals to 71. P and H equals to 8 equals to 16 equals to 24. P is 16 equals to 7. H is 8. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. The center of the roulette, okay, combinations come together at black 1720. 17 plus 20, 37. 37 plus 3 equals to 40. 37 minus 3 equals to 34. 34 and 40, 4 and 7. There's a reason why I said these numbers, but I'm just going to leave it here. 17 plus 20 is 37. 17 minus 20 is 3. And that's where we get these numbers over here. 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 2 times 8, 2 plus 8 equals to 16 and 10. If you minus it, it's 6. But I won't put all these configurations together. They have to be done separately. 26 minus 10 plus 10. 16 minus 10 plus 10 is 26 and 6, equaling to 32, and 20 equaling to 52. Earth or 12, Father, Father Earth. That's where we get to this number over here. So we multiply it by 3. 2 is a straight line in any direction. 3 can be imposed as 3 levels. 3 can also be a curve. Remember, in order to come back the other way, it is the U part. The U is a consistent and counts for more than 1. Multiplication of 3 times 17. 3 times 17 is 51. Mars. 3 times 20 is 60 on the clock. 60 has 2 sides to it, right? When you're running the bulldozer, the top side is the sky. The bottom side is the ocean. 3 times 37, the total is 111. That is the center roulette, and 9 is your birth. 3 and 9 becomes 120. This is your gateway. Add 1 to 15. This is your 2 minutes on the clock. 60 plus 11. 60 seconds and 11. 1 hour, the 11th minute, 71. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7. G and H is your gateway. Your birth is your gateway. 09 becomes 69. Becomes 15. Mars as 6. 3 and 9 is your value. 3 and 3 is your value. 6 and 9 is your value. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 6. 4, 8, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 3, 9. 4, 8, 0. 4, 0, 8, 3, 3. 8, 8, 8, 7, 2, 6, 9, 9, 6, 0, 8, 1, 6, 6, 6. What are all these numbers? Here it is. 9 minus 111 equals 102. 9 plus 111 is 120. 1 plus 2, 1 minus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 on each side. 0, 0, 102 the same. The difference between here and here is doubled. The difference between here and here is replicated. 6 and 9, 3 and 3. 6 and 9 is 2 sides. This is telling us one story. It's 6 of 9. 3 on one side, 3 on the other, 3 in the center. When you get 3 and 3 on each side, you automatically get the 1 spirit in the center. 6 is always with 1, and 9 is all. We bring it down to where we split everything here, 6 and 6. This would be the first 10 days of the Mayan, right over here. 264 is a video feed. This is standard for area, space, and creation of the sky system. The letters are C and I. Together creates 12 and 6. Cielef. Cielef. This one will say the sun, okay? And this one will say, can say 40.8 in the 8 heaven of the 40 star. 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 6, 4, 6, and 5, 5. 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. Here is now it's 888. You see what happened at 888? Okay, we went 444 plus 36 is 480. 36 minus this equals 408. Plus and plus equals 888. Plus and minus equals 72. 72 is the time of 3 parts of 888. That is your first part of your day, 888. In rotation of 6 and 9. You bring it to the next one, it's full rotation. You add this to this. It's the first time this number will surpass and come back to the beginning. It comes to 9. Second time you get back to that, you never get to 1 again. You never get to 1 again. 9 and 6 minus 2 plus 1. But the reality is 888, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. Let me see if I can do that. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 and 8 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 8 stays 8. You get 861 and 816. They match. The second time you get 66. The first time you got the Mayan 10 days, first part of their calendar. The next time you got 4 days, and it matches in rotation. The addition is this number over here. When we add up these two here, 9 and 8 is 17. 60 and 60, 1776. You minus it, okay? You get 144, 960. The day of man in 1776. So now we're going to show you something a little bit different, okay? Because the next one to this, okay, is 1920, okay? It equals to 3552, and this is the electric company in Earth. When I do this over here and I bring it to a single digit, I get 26 and 52, creation of 1111. But we're going to just go down to 1776, and we're going to multiply it, okay, by 4. 4 times 1776 is 7104. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 and 4 is 6. 4 by 7 is 28, becomes 1. 4 by 7 is 28, becomes 1. 4 by 4 is 4. This is 4116, right? But all ones in the center will come together. They'll both be 776. 476. This says God. When 77 come together, we can put the first two together and the last two. It'll say 57 inside the moon. But I'm putting the centers together because they match. It'll say 456, the Federation. Deaf. When I take this and I multiply 4 times 144, I end up with 5760. Do you know what year that is? That is the year 2000, my friends. That is the year 2000 in Hebrew. And the thing is about this in Hebrew, right? If I brought this to the 7th gate, 5 and 2 is 7. 7 and 0 is 7. 2 and 1, it says 2017. 2017, right, creates the Hebrew year 2000. But our year 2000 comes in 2017. Now, when we take the Hebrew New Year that's coming up this year, 5777, and we bring it to the 7th gate, we also come up with the reversal saying 777, and it spells the word Egypt with the last T meaning 20, bringing all the worlds together. Now I take even time when Jesus was born, right? 80 times 47, which is 37 plus 10. You remember the first equation? Earth 5 times 2. So I take this number over here, reverse it, 4017, 3760 was time 0 on the calendar. 2017, remove it from this, 5777. 5777, remove 2017, and we get 3760. 3760 plus this number over here equals to 7, 7, 7, 7. So we all bring everything into a perfect rotation. Here is the number. It becomes 714. 714 is exactly the way we run it here. We can also go 774 if we want, or 7 or 5454. Why? Because there's a 0 here. Add a 6. I add a 6 to this. Okay, this becomes 6. 6 and 1 will be 774. Now, if I put this and this together, it becomes 804. Now, that's Pluto. It becomes 864. Now, 864, what's so good about 864? 8640 divided by 60 equals 2, divided by 60 equals a 24-hour day. So that's the day of man in numbers, right? Raphael, step 1, 17, 18, 19 is said 3 times in French before you reach 100. 3 times it is said. Ask me, I will tell you.